Hello, friends. Today we will see how to combine Vlookup and the right formula in advanced Excel. Let's get started. You can see that we have taken a small example of an employee in Excel, which includes columns for employee code, employee name, age, and experience. If you need Excel file for practice, then you will get the link in Instagram Excel community and YouTube description. We need to extract the age from this employee data, but there is a problem here. As you can see, next to the employee code, EMP is added. However, in the employee data, there is no EMP. Let's see what happens if we use the Vlookup formula. You can see the error. So now, we will use the right formula with the Vlookup formula. First of all, I request you that if you have not yet followed my YouTube channel and Instagram, then do so to learn more advanced Excel. Here first, we will type the Vlookup formula, and then we will type the right formula. In the right formula, you need to select the value in front of you. You can see that the employee code is only 3 digits, so we will also type only 3 digits for extract the 3-digit value, close the bracket. And then use the Vlookup as we normally do. Please support to Excel keys for more advanced Excel videos. Thank you.